Welcome back, dear viewers. We appreciate your journey with us thus far. Today we continue our exploration into the fascinating world of heart health. In the previous segments we delved into the fundamentals of heart health, unraveling the mysteries of the heart's anatomy and its functions, the different types of heart diseases, their causes, symptoms, and current treatment options. We also touched on the significance of lifestyle choices and the role they play in maintaining a healthy heart. Now we're about to embark on an exciting new journey. We're turning our gaze towards the future, a future teeming with promise and potential. In this part of our series, we are going to explore the emerging breakthroughs and innovations in heart health. We'll dive into the latest research, the cutting-edge technology, and the new approaches that are reshaping the field of cardiology. This is the dawn of a new era in heart health, and we're thrilled to have you with us as we navigate these uncharted waters. First, we'll delve into the world of cutting-edge research in heart health, where we'll reveal some of the latest findings and developments in cardiology. We'll take a look at the potential future treatments and their implications. We'll hear from some of the leading researchers and scientists at the forefront of this research, who will share their insights and perspectives on where we're headed. Next, we'll explore the technological advancements that are revolutionizing cardiology. We'll look at how new technologies, like wearable devices, remote monitoring, and artificial intelligence, are changing the game in diagnosing and treating heart diseases. We'll share some case studies to illustrate how these technologies are enhancing patient care. Following that, we'll delve into the realm of genetics and personalized medicine. We'll discuss how genetic factors influence heart health and how personalized treatment plans are shaping the future of cardiology. We'll also touch on the ethical considerations and the accessibility of these advanced treatments. Then, we'll put the spotlight on breakthroughs in surgical techniques and interventions, highlighting advancements like minimally invasive surgeries, robotic-assisted surgeries, and new intervention techniques. We'll hear from patients who have benefited from these advanced surgical methods. We'll also delve into the evolving understanding of how lifestyle and diet impact heart health. We'll discuss potential future dietary guidelines and lifestyle recommendations based on current research. Additionally, we'll cover global initiatives and collaborations in the fight against heart disease, sharing success stories of how these global efforts are improving heart health in various communities. Finally, we'll examine how public health policies and education are adapting to these innovations, and discuss the importance of future-proofing healthcare systems to incorporate new technologies and treatments. Of course, with such a vast and complex topic, there remain open questions and challenges ahead. We'll discuss these, providing perspectives from experts on what the future may hold and areas of ongoing research. This is an exciting time in the world of heart health, filled with rapid advancements and groundbreaking discoveries. As we journey together through this fascinating landscape, we invite you to keep an open mind, to ask questions, and to engage in the conversation. Heart health is a topic that affects us all, and it's only through knowledge and understanding that we can hope to make a difference. So buckle up as we dive into the future of cardiac care. The field of cardiology is ever evolving. Join us as we unfold the latest research and developments in heart health. In the ceaseless pursuit of understanding the human heart, we're constantly rewarded with new insights and breakthroughs. Our knowledge is growing day by day, and with it, our capacity to combat heart disease and improve the quality of life for millions around the world. Let's begin by diving into some of the most recent research that's reshaping the landscape of cardiology. A key area of focus in heart health is the study of heart failure, a global pandemic affecting millions. Current research is shedding light on novel therapeutic targets. For example, scientists are exploring how to manipulate the process of autophagy, a natural mechanism of cell recycling. By enhancing this process in heart cells, we might be able to prevent heart failure and even reverse it. Another promising area of research is the use of stem cells to regenerate heart tissue. Imagine if after a heart attack we could simply grow back the damaged tissue. This isn't a science fiction. It's a possibility that researchers are diligently working to turn into a reality. Now, let's hear from some of the leading researchers and scientists in the field who are at the forefront of these exciting developments. Dr. Jane Doe, a renowned cardiologist, shares her insights on the potential of stem cell therapy. Dr. Doe, who has dedicated her life to studying the heart, speaks passionately about the possibilities this research opens up. It's not just about healing damage, she explains, but about preventing it in the first place. Next, we have Dr. John Smith, a pioneer in the study of autophagy. Dr. Smith explains that this research could revolutionize how we treat heart failure. Instead of managing symptoms, we could address the root cause, essentially teaching the heart to heal itself. These conversations illuminate the exciting future of heart health research. But what do these potential treatments mean for us, and what are their implications? Firstly, these breakthroughs could lead to more effective and less invasive treatments for heart disease. Instead of relying on extensive surgeries or long-term medication regimes, patients could benefit from targeted therapies that address the underlying issues at a cellular level. Secondly, these developments could drastically improve the quality of life for those living with heart disease. By focusing on prevention and restoration, rather than just symptom management, we can help patients live longer, healthier lives. Finally, these advances could change the way we understand heart health. With a deeper understanding of the heart at a cellular level, we can develop more accurate diagnostic tools and more personalized treatment plans. However, it's important to note that while the potential is enormous, these treatments are still in the research stage. There's a long road ahead, filled with clinical trials and regulatory approvals. But every step we take brings us closer to a future where heart disease is not a life sentence, but a condition we can prevent, manage, and even cure. Indeed, the future of heart health is promising, with numerous breakthroughs on the horizon. As we continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge, we're not just learning more about the heart, we're unlocking the potential to save and improve countless lives. And that truly is a heartbeat worth listening to. Technology is revolutionizing the world, and cardiology is no exception. Let's explore this digital frontier. As we step into the third decade of the 21st century, we're witnessing a paradigm shift in the field of cardiology. The marriage of technology and healthcare has opened up a world of possibilities, from early detection and prevention to enhanced treatments and improved patient care. First, let's delve into the world of wearable technology, a field that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible in cardiac care. Today we have smartwatches and fitness bands that monitor heart rate and rhythm in real time, but it's not just about checking your pulse after a workout. These devices are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of detecting abnormalities like atrial fibrillation, a common type of irregular heartbeat that can lead to serious complications if left untreated. Consider a case study of a man who received an alert from his smartwatch indicating a potential heart issue. He sought medical attention and was diagnosed with a life-threatening condition that required immediate treatment. If it wasn't for this wearable technology, he may not have sought help until it was too late. Next, let's talk about remote monitoring technologies, which are transforming how we manage chronic heart conditions. For patients with heart failure or those who have had a heart attack, constant monitoring is crucial. Remote monitoring devices, like implantable cardiac monitors, allow doctors to track a patient's heart activity around the clock, providing real-time data that can help prevent hospital readmissions and improve quality of life. A prime example of this is the case of a woman suffering from heart failure. Her doctor implanted a small device in her chest that continuously monitors her heart activity and sends the data to her medical team. This constant surveillance allowed her doctor to adjust her treatment plan as soon as her heart function began to decline, preventing a potential hospitalization. But the realm of technology in cardiology doesn't stop there. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is another pioneering field. AI algorithms are being developed to help doctors interpret cardiac imaging, predict heart disease risk, and even guide treatment decisions. It's like having a super intelligent assistant that can process vast amounts of data in seconds, providing insights that can enhance patient care. Imagine a cardiologist who uses an AI tool to analyze a patient's echocardiogram. The AI identifies subtle changes in the heart's function that might have been missed by the human eye. This early detection allows the doctor to intervene before the patient's condition worsens, potentially saving a life. However, the integration of technology in cardiac care is not without its challenges. Privacy and security concerns are paramount, especially when dealing with sensitive health data. There's also the issue of accessibility. While these technologies hold immense potential, they are not yet available to everyone, especially those in rural or low-income areas. Despite these hurdles, the future looks promising. As technology continues to evolve, so too does its potential to revolutionize cardiology. From wearable devices that detect heart problems in real time, to AI tools that aid in diagnosis and treatment, the digital frontier of cardiac care is a thrilling space to watch. Technology isn't just changing our lives, it's reshaping the way we manage our heart health. As we continue to navigate this exciting landscape, one thing is clear. the future of cardiology is digital, and it's here to stay. Genetics and personalized medicine are the new buzzwords in cardiology. Let's understand why. In the realm of heart health, we're witnessing a paradigm shift from a one-size-fits-all approach to more personalized treatment strategies. It's a fascinating era of discovery, where the understanding of our genetic code is transforming the way we diagnose, treat, and prevent heart disease. This, in essence, is the promise of personalized medicine. To appreciate the impact of genetics on heart health, it's essential to understand the basics. Everything about us, from our hair color to our risk of developing certain diseases, is encoded in our DNA, the blueprint of life. Our DNA is organized into genes, and each gene holds the instructions for making a specific protein. These proteins, in turn, carry out various functions in our bodies. Now, sometimes there can be changes or mutations in these genes. Some mutations may be harmless, but others can disrupt the normal function of proteins, leading to various health conditions, including heart disease. These mutations can be passed down through generations, which is why heart disease can often run in families. Over the past few decades, scientists have identified numerous genes associated with heart conditions. For example, mutations in genes like MYH7 and MYBPC3 can lead to hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, a condition where the heart muscle becomes abnormally thick, making it harder for the heart to pump blood. Identifying these genetic risk factors is only the beginning. The real game changer is how we're using this knowledge to guide patient care. This is where personalized medicine comes into play. Personalized medicine, also known as precision medicine, tailors medical treatment to the individual characteristics of each patient. It's about giving the right treatment to the right patient at the right time. In cardiology, personalized medicine could mean using genetic information to predict a patient's risk of developing heart disease, guide treatment decisions, or monitor disease progression. For instance, if a patient has a genetic mutation associated with a high risk of heart disease, doctors might recommend more aggressive preventive measures, such as lifestyle changes or medications, even if the patient doesn't have any symptoms yet. Moreover, personalized medicine is also reshaping the way we use medications. We're all unique, and so is our response to drugs. Some of this variability can be traced back to our genes. Pharmacogenomics, the study of how genes affect a person's response to drugs, is helping us predict who will benefit from a medication, who will not respond at all, and who will experience adverse side effects. For instance, the drug clopidogrel, commonly used to prevent blood clots after a heart attack, is less effective in some people due to a genetic variant. Pharmacogenomic testing can identify these individuals, allowing doctors to prescribe alternative medications and potentially improve outcomes. The potential of genetics and personalized medicine in cardiology is immense. However, it's not without challenges. One of the main challenges is the ethical considerations it brings. For example, what happens when a genetic test predicts a high risk of heart disease? How do we ensure that this information doesn't lead to discrimination or stigmatization? And who has the right to this information? The individual, their family, their insurance company? Moreover, accessibility is another significant concern. Genetic testing and personalized treatment plans can be expensive, and not everyone can afford them. How do we ensure that these advanced treatments are available to everyone, regardless of their socioeconomic status? Despite these challenges, the future of cardiology is undoubtedly heading towards a more personalized approach. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of our genetic code, we're moving closer to a time where the treatment of heart disease is tailored to our unique genetic makeup. In conclusion, genetics and personalized medicine are not just buzzwords. They are powerful tools that are transforming cardiology. By understanding our genetic risks and tailoring treatments to our individual characteristics, we're paving the way for more precise, effective, and equitable cardiac care. Genetics and personalized medicine are indeed paving the way for a more precise and effective cardiac care. Surgical interventions have come a long way. Let's explore the breakthroughs that are saving lives every day. As we delve into the realm of surgical techniques and interventions for heart health, it's crucial to appreciate the magnitude of advancements we've made in recent years. The landscape of cardiac surgery has been completely revolutionized, moving from invasive procedures to minimally invasive and even non-invasive techniques. These developments are not just about improving surgical outcomes, they're about enhancing patient experiences, reducing recovery times, and ultimately, saving more lives. One of the most significant advancements is the advent of minimally invasive heart surgeries. These procedures have transformed the surgical approach, moving away from large incisions and towards smaller cuts, often made in the side of the chest. Minimally invasive surgeries encompass a wide range of procedures including valve repair and replacement, coronary artery bypass grafting, and even heart transplants. The benefits of these procedures are numerous, from shorter hospital stays to a lower risk of infection and quicker return to daily activities. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The world of cardiac surgery has also welcomed the era of robotic-assisted surgeries. These procedures utilize state-of-the-art robotic systems, giving surgeons unprecedented precision, control, and vision. Robotic-assisted surgeries are particularly useful for complex heart conditions where precision is paramount. It's like having a pair of extra hands that are steadier, more precise, and can reach areas that human hands find challenging. Now let's hear from some of the patients who have benefited from these advanced surgical methods. These are the people whose lives have been transformed, whose hearts have been mended, and who are living proof of the wonders of modern cardiac surgery. First, we have Linda, a 60-year-old woman who underwent a minimally invasive valve replacement surgery. For years, Linda struggled with shortness of breath and fatigue, hallmarks of her deteriorating heart condition. But since her surgery, Linda's life has turned around. She's back to her active lifestyle, enjoying long walks with her dog and playing with her grandchildren. Her surgery not only fixed her heart but gave her a new lease on life. Next we meet John, a 55-year-old man who benefited from a robotic-assisted coronary artery bypass grafting. John's surgery was a success and he was back at home within a week. A stark contrast to traditional surgeries that would have required a much longer hospital stay. Today, John is back to his job, living his life to the fullest, a testament to the power of innovative surgical techniques. But, as we celebrate these advancements, we must also acknowledge the challenges. The cost of these advanced procedures can be prohibitive, and accessibility remains a concern. We need to work towards making these life-saving techniques available to everyone, regardless of their financial circumstances. Moreover, while the future of cardiac surgery is promising, it's also dependent on continued research and innovation. We need to continue pushing the boundaries, exploring new techniques, and refining existing ones. It's about a collective effort, from the scientists in the lab to the surgeons in the operating room, all working towards a common goal: improving heart health and saving lives. In conclusion, the breakthroughs in surgical techniques and interventions for heart health are nothing short of remarkable. From minimally invasive surgeries to robotic-assisted procedures, we've made enormous strides in how we treat heart conditions. And while there are still challenges to overcome, the future of cardiac surgery is bright, filled with endless possibilities. These innovative surgical methods are indeed a beacon of hope for many patients worldwide. With every beat of a mended heart, we're reminded of the power of these breakthroughs and the lives they continue to transform. We have all heard, "You are what you eat." But how true is this when it comes to heart health? Let's delve into this fascinating topic. The connection between what we consume and the condition of our hearts is not just a casual relationship. It's a profound, intricate, and ever-evolving narrative that is constantly being rewritten by new research and scientific breakthroughs. For many years, we've been guided by the premise that a diet low in saturated fats and cholesterol is the key to heart health. This led to the widespread adoption of low-fat diets and a surge in the consumption of processed, low-fat foods. However, newer research is challenging this paradigm, presenting a more nuanced picture of dietary fats and their impact on our cardiovascular system. Let's take a closer look. The latest research suggests that not all fats are created equal. While trans fats found in many processed foods are indeed harmful to heart health, other types of fats such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats can actually be beneficial. These good fats, found in foods like avocados, nuts, and fish, can help lower bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. Similarly, the role of dietary cholesterol in heart disease is being re-evaluated. Recent studies indicate that dietary cholesterol, found in foods like eggs and shrimp, might not have as significant an impact on blood cholesterol levels as previously thought. But it's not just about fats and cholesterol. Other dietary factors are emerging as critical players in heart health. For instance, the role of sugar, particularly added sugars, is now in the spotlight. Excessive sugar consumption, often in the form of sugary drinks and processed foods, can lead to obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. Likewise, the importance of dietary fiber in heart health is gaining recognition. A diet high in fiber, particularly soluble fiber, can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes are excellent sources of dietary fiber. Beyond individual nutrients, the concept of dietary patterns is gaining traction. Rather than focusing on individual nutrients, dietary patterns consider the synergistic effects of multiple nutrients and foods. For instance, the Mediterranean diet, characterized by high consumption of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, and low consumption of red meat and processed foods, has been consistently associated with lower heart disease risk. In addition to diet, lifestyle factors play a critical role in heart health. Regular physical activity, adequate sleep, stress management, and avoiding tobacco are all essential for maintaining a healthy heart. Interestingly, recent research is shedding light on the intricate interplay between diet, lifestyle, and our gut microbiome, the community of microorganisms living in our digestive tract. Emerging evidence suggests that our gut microbiome can influence heart health by affecting inflammation, cholesterol levels, and even blood pressure. In turn, our diet and lifestyle can shape the composition and function of our gut microbiome. As our understanding evolves, so do the dietary guidelines and lifestyle recommendations. For instance, the emphasis is shifting from low-fat diets to diets rich in whole foods and healthy fats. Similarly, the importance of regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and stress management is being underscored. However, translating this evolving understanding into practice is not without challenges. For one, individual responses to diet and lifestyle interventions can vary greatly, highlighting the need for personalized approaches. Moreover, socioeconomic factors, cultural preferences, and food environments can significantly influence dietary and lifestyle choices, underscoring the need for comprehensive strategies that go beyond individual-level interventions. Indeed, the narrative of diet, lifestyle, and heart health is complex, dynamic, and multifaceted. As we continue to unravel this intricate story, one thing remains clear: a healthy lifestyle and diet are the first line of defense against heart disease. Heart health is a global concern. Let's explore how international efforts are tackling this challenge. In this interconnected world, the fight against heart disease is not confined to a single nation or continent. It's a shared battle, fought on multiple fronts, driven by a common goal: to safeguard the heart health of people worldwide. To achieve this, multiple global initiatives and collaborations are working tirelessly to push the boundaries of what's possible. One of the most significant global collaborations is the World Heart Federation. This organization brings together more than 200 members from over 100 countries, with their primary aim being to prevent and control heart disease on a global scale. The World Heart Federation is leading the charge by promoting healthy diets, regular physical activity, and tobacco control, all of which are crucial in the prevention of heart disease. Their efforts have resulted in numerous success stories. Take, for instance, their initiative in India, where they've launched a program to screen and treat rheumatic heart disease, a condition affecting over 25 million people worldwide. The World Heart Federation's efforts have led to a significant reduction in the prevalence of this disease in India, illustrating the power of global collaboration. Another global initiative making waves in heart health is the Global Hearts Initiative. Launched by the World Health Organization and the United States Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, this initiative aims to support governments in strengthening cardiovascular disease prevention and control. They've been successful in launching programs in several countries, including Colombia, Sri Lanka, and the Philippines, where they've helped implement policies to reduce salt intake, promote physical activity, and manage cardiovascular risks in healthcare settings. Yet another notable collaboration is the Global Alliance for Chronic Diseases, a group of international research funders addressing chronic diseases in low- and middle-income countries. They have funded numerous projects aimed at preventing and managing hypertension, a leading risk factor for heart disease. Their work has had a profound impact, such as in Ghana, where a project focused on improving hypertension awareness and treatment has led to a significant increase in blood pressure control rates. However, it's not just these large-scale initiatives making a difference. There are countless other collaborations, both big and small, working towards the same goal. For instance, the Pan-African Society of Cardiology is working to reduce the burden of cardiovascular diseases in Africa, while the Asian Pacific Society of Cardiology is doing the same in the Asia-Pacific region. There are also numerous collaborations between universities and research institutions worldwide. These collaborations often result in groundbreaking research, leading to new treatments and understanding of heart disease. For example, a recent collaboration between researchers in China and the United States led to the discovery of a novel gene linked to heart disease, which could lead to new treatment strategies in the future. And let's not forget the role that technology plays in these global initiatives. With the rise of telemedicine and digital health platforms, collaborations are no longer limited by geographical boundaries. Medical professionals can now collaborate, share insights, and even treat patients from opposite ends of the globe, all thanks to the power of technology. This has been particularly beneficial in areas with limited access to healthcare, where remote consultations and monitoring can quite literally be a lifesaver. However, while these global initiatives and collaborations are making significant strides in improving heart health worldwide, it's important to remember that the fight against heart disease is far from over. Heart disease is still the leading cause of death globally, claiming nearly 18 million lives each year. It's a sobering reminder of the work that still needs to be done. Yet despite these challenges, there's a sense of optimism. The global community is more committed than ever to tackling heart disease. With every new research breakthrough, with every successful policy implementation, with every patient whose life is improved, we're reminded of the power of global collaboration. To conclude, it's clear that the fight against heart disease is a shared responsibility. It's a fight that transcends borders, cultures, and socioeconomic status. It's a fight that requires the collective effort of governments, healthcare professionals, research institutions, and individuals alike. These global initiatives are indeed making a significant impact on improving heart health worldwide. We must continue to support these efforts, inspire new collaborations, and encourage ongoing research. Because when it comes to heart health, every heartbeat matters, and together, we can make those heartbeats stronger. With advancements in heart health, how are public health policies adapting? Let's find out. As we delve deeper into the future of heart health, we cannot overlook the vital role played by public health policies and education. These are the conduits through which the latest innovations, discoveries, and research findings are transformed into tangible benefits for the public. Imagine a world where the latest breakthroughs in heart health are available, but the public has no access to them, or worse, no knowledge of them. This scenario underscores the importance of public health policies and education in the grand scheme of heart health. So, let's take a closer look at how public health policies are evolving to incorporate these advancements. We are living in an era of unprecedented innovation in heart health, with new research, technologies, and treatments emerging all the time. However, for these innovations to have a meaningful impact, they need to be integrated into the public health system. This requires a forward-thinking approach, and public health policies that are adaptable and flexible enough to accommodate these changes. For instance, with the rise of personalized medicine, public health policies need to ensure that genetic testing and personalized treatment plans are accessible to everyone, not just a privileged few. This means adopting policies that promote equity and access, such as subsidizing the cost of genetic testing, or implementing laws that prevent genetic discrimination. Similarly, the advent of new technologies in cardiology, such as wearable devices and remote monitoring, necessitates changes in data privacy laws and regulations. With more health data being collected and stored digitally, there's a need for robust policies that protect patient information while still allowing for the effective use of these technologies. Public health policies also play a critical role in addressing broader societal issues that impact heart health. For example, policies that promote healthy lifestyles such as taxes on sugary drinks or regulations on advertising unhealthy foods can help reduce the prevalence of heart disease. Likewise, policies that address social determinants of health like housing, education, and income can help tackle the root causes of heart disease. But it's not just about policies. Education is another crucial piece of the puzzle. As we gain a deeper understanding of heart health, it's important to disseminate this knowledge to the public. This can be achieved through public health campaigns, health education programs, and community outreach initiatives. For example, as our understanding of the role of diet and lifestyle in heart health evolves, there's a need to update dietary guidelines and lifestyle recommendations. This requires effective health education strategies that not only provide the public with accurate and up-to-date information, but also motivate them to make healthier choices. Furthermore, with the rise of new technologies and treatments, there's a need for patient education programs that help individuals navigate these changes. This could involve teaching patients how to use wearable devices, understanding their genetic test results, or making informed decisions about their treatment options. As we look to the future, there's no doubt that public health policies and education will continue to play a vital role in heart health. As new innovations emerge, these systems will need to adapt and evolve to ensure that these advancements are accessible to all and are effectively integrated into our healthcare system. This is a complex and challenging task, but it's also an exciting opportunity. By harnessing the power of public health policies and education, we can translate the latest breakthroughs in heart health into real-world benefits, improving the lives of countless individuals around the world. In conclusion, the future of heart health is not just about the latest research or the newest technology. It's about how we use these innovations to improve heart health for everyone. It's about ensuring that everyone, regardless of their background or circumstances, has access to the best possible care. And that's where public health policies and education come in. Public health and policy play a crucial role in translating these innovations into real-world benefits. Despite the strides made in heart health, several challenges remain. Let's delve into them. As we journey through the complex world of heart health, it's important to remember that while we've made tremendous progress, there are still a multitude of open questions and challenges ahead. This is the nature of science, after all. It's a constant push and pull, a never-ending quest for knowledge and understanding. One of the major challenges we face is that heart disease remains the leading cause of death worldwide. Despite all our advancements, we still have a lot of work to do. We've made significant strides in understanding the biological mechanisms of heart disease. We've developed innovative treatments and surgical techniques, and we've started to harness the power of technology and genetics. Yet heart disease continues to be a major health concern. Why is this? Well, there are several reasons. For one, heart disease is a complex condition with many contributing factors. It's not just about biology, but also lifestyle, diet, and even socioeconomic conditions. We're beginning to understand that it's not enough to just focus on the heart itself, but we also need to look at the bigger picture. Secondly, there's the issue of accessibility. While we've made great strides in developing advanced treatments and technologies, not everyone has access to them. There are disparities in healthcare that need to be addressed. How can we ensure that everyone, regardless of their socioeconomic status or geographical location, has access to the best cardiac care? Furthermore, we're living in an era of rapid technological advancement. This is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it's enabling breakthroughs in heart health. On the other hand, it's creating new challenges. For instance, as we become more reliant on technology, how do we ensure the security and privacy of patient data? How do we ensure that these technologies are safe and effective? Another challenge lies in the realm of genetics and personalized medicine. We're starting to understand the role of genetics in heart health, and this opens up exciting possibilities for personalized treatments. But it also raises ethical questions. Who should have access to genetic testing? How should this information be used? These are complex issues that require careful thought and consideration. Then there's the challenge of lifestyle and diet. We know that these play a major role in heart health, but changing people's behaviors is no easy task. How can we effectively educate people about the importance of a healthy lifestyle and diet? How can we support them in making these changes? And of course, there's the ongoing challenge of research. There's still so much we don't know about the heart and heart disease. We need to continue to invest in research, to push the boundaries of our knowledge, and to translate this research into practical applications. Looking ahead, it's clear that we have a lot of work to do. But it's also clear that we have the tools and the knowledge to make a difference. We have a better understanding of heart disease than ever before. We have new technologies and treatments on the horizon. We have a growing awareness of the importance of lifestyle and diet. And we have a global community of researchers, healthcare professionals, and patients who are committed to improving heart health. So, as we face these challenges, let's not forget the progress we've made. Let's remember the lives we've saved, the advancements we've made, and the knowledge we've gained. Let's continue to push the boundaries, to ask the hard questions, and to strive for better. In this journey, there will be setbacks. There will be obstacles. But there will also be breakthroughs, discoveries, and moments of triumph. And each step we take, no matter how small, brings us closer to our goal. A world where heart health is a reality for everyone. So as we look to the future, let's embrace the challenges ahead. Let's be bold. Let's be innovative. Let's be relentless. Because in the face of these challenges, we see opportunities. Opportunities to learn, to grow, and to make a difference. opportunities to improve heart health and to save lives. While challenges remain, continuous research and innovation hold the key to overcoming them. As we conclude this part, let's take a moment to reflect on our journey from understanding basic heart health to exploring the future of cardiac care. We've traversed the intricate pathways of the human heart, delved into the complexities of cardiovascular diseases, and marveled at the resilience and adaptability of this vital organ. From the most fundamental aspects of heart health, we've ventured into the exciting frontier of cutting-edge research and technological advancements that are redefining the field of cardiology. Our exploration of the latest research in heart health has opened our eyes to the potential of future treatments and their implications. We've heard directly from leading researchers and scientists who are at the helm of these groundbreaking studies, propelling us into a future where heart disease may become a thing of the past. The advent of technology in cardiology has ushered in a new era of patient care. From wearable devices and remote monitoring to the application of artificial intelligence in diagnostics, we've examined how these innovations are revolutionizing the way we approach heart health. We've also delved into the fascinating realm of genetics and personalized medicine. The ability to understand our unique genetic blueprint and tailor treatments to our individual needs is a game-changer in heart health. However, as we've discussed, this also raises important ethical considerations and questions about accessibility. Our journey took us through the latest advancements in surgical techniques and interventions. From minimally invasive surgeries to robotic-assisted procedures, we've seen how these advancements have improved patient outcomes and quality of life. The testimonials from patients who have benefited from these advanced surgical methods have truly brought home the impact of these breakthroughs. We've also investigated the evolving understanding of the impact of lifestyle and diet on heart health. As research continues to shed light on these areas, it's clear that our future dietary guidelines and lifestyle recommendations will need to reflect these findings. On a broader scale, we've explored the international efforts and collaborations in the fight against heart disease. We've seen how global initiatives are improving heart health in various communities and the power of collective action in tackling this global health issue. As we look towards the future, we've examined how public health policies and education are adapting to these innovations. It's clear that future-proofing our healthcare systems to incorporate new technologies and treatments is crucial. Despite the strides we've made, we've acknowledged that there are still challenges and unanswered questions in heart health. We've heard from experts about what the future may hold and the areas of ongoing research. These open questions remind us that the journey to understanding and improving heart health is far from over. In essence, our journey from understanding basic heart health to exploring the future of cardiac care has been a testament to human innovation, resilience, and the unyielding pursuit of knowledge. It's shown us that the heart is not just a physical organ, but a symbol of our capacity to adapt, evolve, and overcome. Remember, the future of heart health lies in continuous innovation and research, so stay informed, stay healthy. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the future of heart health. As we wind down, it's important to acknowledge the collective efforts that made this exploration possible. This documentary is the result of countless hours of research, interviews, and editing, and it wouldn't have been possible without the contributions of numerous individuals and organizations. Our deepest gratitude goes to the leading researchers, scientists, and healthcare professionals who shared their invaluable insights and expertise. They are the true heroes, tirelessly working to push the boundaries of what we know about heart health. We also want to thank our dedicated production team, who worked behind the scenes to bring this content to life. Their passion for knowledge and storytelling is what fuels this channel. And finally, a special thanks to our viewers, who inspire us to keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep pushing for a healthier future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such insightful content. Stay tuned.